Let's look at this question. Which of the following values cannot be taken by real function fx equal to x divided by x square plus 4x plus 16? Okay, given that this is a real function equated to some variable x by x square plus 4x plus 16 is equal to k. The intent behind equating it to a real number is I'm trying to find out the maxima and minima of this expression. Any of the values that lie outside the range will be unacceptable and therefore they will be the answer. So x will be equal to kx square plus 4kx plus 16k, or kx square plus k times, sorry, not k times, x times 4k minus 1 plus 16k will be equal to 0. I know x to be real, so the discriminant will be greater than or equal to 0. Discriminant here is 4k minus 1 whole square minus 64 64k square 4k minus 1 whole square into 4ac. Okay, this has to be greater than or equal to 0. So I get 16k square plus 1 minus 8k minus 64k square has to be greater than or equal to 0, or I get how much? 48k square plus 8k minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so now k you can break it up as 48k square plus 12k minus 4k minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So take out 4k common, or 12k itself common, not 4k, 12k common, and I will be left with 4k plus 1 minus 1, 4k plus 1 less than or equal to 0. So 12k minus 1 into 4k plus 1 less than or equal to 0. So if it has to be less than or equal to 0, k will lie in the range from minus 1 by 4 to 1 by 12. The minimum value of this expression is minus 1 by 4. So this is acceptable, this is acceptable, and the maximum value is 1 by 12. This is also acceptable. So this is the value that cannot be taken. Answer is option D.